This is the video on the appointment reminder side of our platform. When you log into your client account, for the appointment reminder side, you're going to go to Contact Manager, which will take you to your list of clients. If you have clients in here already, you would see them right off the bat. If not, you could go in and you could click on the Add New Member button. If you want to individually add a new member, you click on that right there, and then you could type out the full information. The only information you have to have in here is first name and mobile number, or mobile number if that's all you want, but that's the least amount of information we will need. And then you can click Save, and then you should be able to find that customer or patient in the system. You can also, instead of individually adding new members, you could, your other option is you could upload all of your members at once through a CSV file. So if we click on this button, it'll let you see the example format that it needs to be in on the spreadsheet. So the Excel spreadsheet that you're putting this on, it has to have headers up top in each column, and that list out what that column is going to be, and it needs to be in this exact format to upload correctly, but then you could do it all at once. Once you have your clients or your patients actually in the platform, in the system, then we can go ahead and send out a message to one individual patient, or we can send out a message to a group of patients. If you're just wanting to very quickly send out a reminder to one person, you can search for their name up here in the search box. I should pull it up, and then I could click on Send Quick SMS, and that button right there will pull up a blank message box where I can type out the actual message that I want to send to this patient. Or you can select from templates. If you have pre-made templates in here, you could select that pre-made template and it would pull whatever message you put in that box already. And then you can send it immediately. Send now is send it immediately, or you could schedule a time and date in the future that you want that reminder message to be sent out to that patient. To go and set your templates, you can go to the Manage tab up top, click on Templates, and this is where you can actually set a template message. So you could call it appointment reminder. Then you can type out in the message box exactly what you want that to say. Putting in the special tag or special variable will pull the customer's first name automatically. Then you can click on Set Template, and you should be able to now find that template when you go to send out your reminder messages. If you want to select more than one person to send this message to, you can absolutely do that. Just select every name of each patient that you want this message to go out to, and then you would click on the Choose Selected Members button, which would bring all of those members down here, and then from here we could click Send SMS Message, and we could send that entire group a message if we had a message we wanted to send to them. The other tabs up here, the inbox, would be where if someone replies back to our message that they can't make it to our reminder, it would go to the inbox, and that's where we could see the actual back and forth messages between us and a specific patient. And you could actually see the back and forth thread from inside here, and you could send them another message if need be. Under here we also have, besides templates, we have groups where you could go in and create a group. If you wanted to specifically send a message to a group of people each time, you could create groups right here. You could upload a CSV file and create a group out of that CSV file. You also can add extended attributes. This is where you can go in, and an attribute would be when I am adding a patient, when I'm adding their information. For instance, I can click on one of my patients. These are all its attributes, its organization, its website, it's the information you want to save about that patient. If there's something in here that we don't have built in, you can add extended attributes. For instance, if we're a vet office and we want to be able to put in the system the pet's name, because that's important to know when they're coming in or we're reminding them of something, you could go in and create extended attributes with this tab right here. And you would just name it. So we already have pet's name, so we can say something like pet gender, something else that would be important for this business. Click add attribute, and now up here you can see that we have, now you can see it up here up top, we have that. Make sure you click save, and now when I go back to one of my patients, I should see that extended attribute right here, and I can save that information for each patient. The scheduling tab is simply going to show us what appointment reminder messages we have scheduled to go out for that month. So it's giving us an overall monthly view of what we have scheduled to go out. If you had something set up on a specific date, you could actually click on that reminder and edit it from the screen. And lastly, we have reports, and this is where you could go in and view the reporting. You could see exactly when messages have been sent and received from our platform to a certain patient and verify that those reminders have been sent. It's also where you can pull up a little more detailed reporting. When you click on that plus sign to the left of their name, you can even download the log, which would pull it up in a spreadsheet, and you could see that information as, from there as well. This has been the video on the appointment reminder side of the platform. Thank you.